Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. Once done, enable the TV's cast or screen mirroring option. This is usually under Inputs or Network. On your phone, swipe down to Quick Settings and tap Cast. Allow location and network permissions when asked. You do this now because discovery packets must reach the TV, and permissions let Android show available devices. Wait until the TV name appears in the cast list before proceeding to connect. After the TV appears, tap its name on your phone to start the session, and make sure you accept any pairing or confirmation prompt on the TV. This completes the handshake. Once connected, select the TV's cast input or correct HDMI if using a dongle, and adjust volume from either device for best sound. If you plan to stream video, close heavy apps on your phone to reduce lag, and lower brightness to save battery. These changes improve frame rate and make the stream smoother. To end the session, stop casting from Quick Settings or use the TV's Stop Mirroring control. That cleanly closes the link. If you can't connect, reboot both devices first, then forget and rejoin the Wi-Fi on your phone so credentials refresh. This resolves most discovery and authentication problems. For ongoing lag, move both devices closer to the router or switch to the 5 GHz band. This reduces interference and increases throughput. Lastly, update firmware on both devices if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.